How to install Grammarly app in mobile. If you would like to install the Grammarly app in mobile, it is actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all you can search for the Grammarly application on your Play Store or your App Store. So first, if you're using Wi-Fi, just check whether or not your Wi-Fi or your internet connection is working fine. After that, you can search for the Grammarly AI Writing Assistant app on your Play Store and also available on iPhone's App Store. And just tap on the install button right there, and it will take a couple of seconds to install the application on your mobile phone, and after that the Grammarly app will be successfully installed on your phone. Now if you want, you can go ahead and open it up. You can set it as a default application for your keyboard, and you can also go ahead and then see all these options as well. So I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.